Hello everyone, welcome back to School. In this video, I will show you how to hide rows in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started the video. Begin by opening your Excel worksheet containing the rows you want to hide. Select the rows you want to hide. Once the rows are selected, right-click on the selected rows and from the context menu, choose Hide. The selected rows will now be hidden from view. You will notice a thin line indicating hidden rows. That's it, you have successfully hidden rows in Excel, making your data more organized and focused. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.